Looking to toggle your Google location history on your Samsung phone for added privacy and control? I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll show you how to switch your location history on and off on your Samsung device. So, let's dive in. First, open your phone settings. Then, scroll down the list. Find and select the location option. Afterwards, choose Location Services. From there, you will see the option for location history. Tap on it to proceed. Scroll down again and select Turn On. Then, scroll down once more and choose Turn On again. Tap Got It to confirm your selection. Similarly, if you want to disable location history, follow these steps. To do this, tap Turn Off. Then, select either Turn Off or Turn Off and Delete activity. After that, tap Got It to finalize. And just like that, you've got control over your location history settings. Don't forget to give this video a like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.